Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and welcome back to my channel. We have a very special video today. We just got some brand new markers sponsored by Arteza. These are some water-based pens, and as you can see we have a big art supply here and I'm very curious about them. So let's see how they look like. Right here we have some paint markers. They smell just like an edding. And on the marker you can see some instructions on how the marker works. But we will test them later. Let's take a look on the other stuff. Next we have 48 small tip water-based pens. They actually have two tips. A very big color selection and I really like the design of the pen. Now to the fun stuff. Let's unpack these little babies to see what's in. Well, that's beautiful. 60 markers in a cool design bag. Amazing. Let's take a look at these markers. As you can see, these markers have two tips. One small and one bigger tip, just like the Copic markers. And you can also blend these colors, but we will see that soon. That's all I have received from Arteza for this video. I really like this bag with the materials inside. Very artistic. Okay guys, let's try some of these markers out before we start with the main drawing. I will use only the materials I have received from Arteza for this drawing today. I will just use a pencil and a pen from my own. So, I will just try some of these markers out to get a hand for them. The eye is ready to be colored. I will use these small tip pens for that. I have chosen some blue tones. My first impression is good. The color is very strong and the tip is also solid. As you know, the tip of Copic Cho markers are a little soft. Therefore, this is a good alternative. Okay, so nothing unexpected or unusual here. Of course, I will give you my honest opinion to this art supply. Well, I don't know why I'm drawing something like this, but anyways. Now we will try out the two-tip markers. They are very similar to the Copics to be honest, but more of the design like the touch markers. So, the tip is also very solid, not as soft as the Copic markers. The colors are strong too, but I like the contrast of the previous pens a little more. Let's try out the last one, the paint marker. To use this paint marker, we have to follow the instructions, which are written down on the marker. Just shake it a few times, push the tip with your thumb a few times, then push the tip against your table. Then the ink is ready. The color is very strong, but I love it. You actually have to watch out that you don't overpaint your line art. The ink is really that strong. Let's try out another color tone. And as you can see, you can blend these colors with no problem. And yes guys, I think I'm ready to move on to the main sketch. These materials are worth it. It will be a very special and epic drawing. So let's go! Yo guys, we are done with this sketch, one of the most iconic scenes of the Dragon Ball series. Goku sacrifices himself, Cell comes back stronger, and Gohan finishing him with the one-arm Kamehameha. I think the sketch turned out amazing, and we can move on to the inking.
Open your mind. The world has been lived.
Okay guys, we are done with the line art and it looks amazing. Everything worked out pretty well and we are ready to use these markers seriously. I already picked out the color tones I will use. I will start with coloring Perfect Cell, and as you can see I will mostly use these Everblend art markers. So let's start. I will use 3 different green tones for the skin or the armor of Cell, whatever you will call it. I will show you a small part in real time so you will get a better look on these markers. Yo guys, the markers are really great. The colors are very strong and the marker is very handy. It feels very good in your hand and is very fun to use. But now let's color Perfect Cell and then we will talk again. Perfect Cell is done, and I'm really positively surprised. These colors are looking amazing, for real now. The use of these markers are also great. There is nothing negative to say for now. But let's continue, guys. Next one to color is Semi-Perfect Cell. But I will color the entire drawing now, and then we will talk again at the end of the video. Yo guys, we are done with this epic drawing right here, colored with only water-based markers, and I think the outcome is amazing. Especially the colors on Perfect Cell are amazing. I love it. Well guys, I can truly recommend these materials. And as you can see, they are great and you can color your drawing amazingly for sure. The link to these products are down below in my info box. Arteza has an amazing online store for all artists, so make sure to check that out. I'm sure that you will find something of your taste. And you can also use the code TOLGART2 to get a little discount. And that's already it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this drawing and the video of Gohan, Goku and Cell right here. If you did, don't leave this video without giving it a big thumb up. That would help my channel a lot, and that way you can show your support. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're new. I upload videos every week and they will get better and better. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That's it guys. Check out Arteza, links down below. Thank you for watching and I see you very soon. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.